Hello. Today, I want to welcome on another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuchi Aziru Oziri. Today, I want to talk about the importance of signature. And I know say signature na very important thing where documents dey. Now, wetin I wan tell una be say e get mistake wey people dey make. This mistake, illiterates dey make am. People wey say dem go school dey make am. Wetin be this mistake? No matter how you trust person reach, no ever sign document wey you no read. No be say you go read, you must read that document, understand wetin the document dey talk before you sign am. People wey say dem go school, even PhD holders, dey make this mistake. No make am. Before you sign anything, read am, understand am. If you read am, you no understand am, carry am give another person to read. If you no sabi read, you no go school, you no sabi read, or you go school, you no sabi read. Get people wey go school, dem still no sabi read. Give am to person wey sabi read. Make the person read am, interpret am for you before you sign. Then another thing wey people dey do be say, how person wey bring document for you to sign go read am, interpret am for you? No try am, because person no go fit be judge for im own case. For example now, me and you wan do business, I bring document to you make you sign. No allow me read that document for you. Find a neutral person, another person, to read am for you. Na so e suppose be. Now, another mistake wey una dey make be say, one thing wey people dey use dey confuse people, dey make people sign wetin dem no read na time. Hurry. For example, now you wan sell land. That land na on Friday, they wan pay you on Friday, and you need money. The person will say, hey, thank God it's Friday, you need money. You won't go scatter the money for club. They know say bank they close by 3 on Friday. They will come bring document for you around 2:30, so that you no go get time to read them. My brother, my sister, no sign. Read that document well before you sign. And if document dey 4, make sure you read the 4 before you sign. No read 1, sign 1. Then the other 3, no read them. Read all before you sign them. If na legal document, make sure say your lawyer see that document before you sign. No go sign finish before you show your lawyer. Make sure say your lawyer see am before you sign. Make you no go use your hand sign off your property wey dem no sell. Or let's say you dey sell 2 plots, you no read, dem don write 4 plots for you, you go sign. Na you dey lose. Make sure say a neutral person read document for you before you sign. You must read and understand them. No matter how dem force you, no matter how dem say they are in a hurry, dem no sign and make heaven go fall. Tell them make heaven fall. No sign wetin you no read, come understand. No matter how you feel say that document no dey important, you no do am. Everything dey important. And any document wey you no sign, court say e dey worthless, e no get meaning, e no get weight. So signature na very important something. Understand wetin you dey sign. No use your hand go sign your death. If you no understand, no sign. If you no get who go read for you, no sign. No try am. Even though dem say the people wey yarn dem dey do something, dem say dem carry lawyer come, then only you dey no carry lawyer, nobody dey, you no understand the document, no sign. Just tell dem say make you carry am go show your lawyer, make you carry am go show another person wey go read am, understand am, interpret am to you. Na so e suppose be. You wey dey watch my video, when you watch, share. No just watch, leave am like that. E no good. Thank you.